Hey everyone, the Casio LTP1234PDC-7B is a refreshing reminder that timeless design never truly goes out of style. With this model, Casio focuses on understated sophistication rather than flashy trends, offering a watch that feels classic, refined, and effortlessly wearable. Designed specifically for women who appreciate subtle elegance, this piece leans into a traditional aesthetic that prioritizes balance, clarity, and everyday versatility. At first glance, the rectangular case immediately defines the watch's personality. Its proportions evoke a classic tank-style silhouette, a design language that has endured for decades because of its clean geometry and structured presence. The case measures 32 by 21 by 7.4 millimeters, making it slim and compact on the wrist. The straight lugs and softly rounded corners create a harmonious blend of sharp lines and gentle curves, ensuring that the watch sits comfortably while maintaining visual precision. The polished silver tone finish enhances its minimalist charm. There is no unnecessary ornamentation. Instead, the reflective steel surface adds a quiet sense of luxury. The rectangular case flows seamlessly into the stainless steel bracelet, which reinforces the watch's cohesive design. The bracelet itself is practical and refined, secured by a one-touch three-fold clasp that makes putting it on and taking it off quick and intuitive. At just 56 grams, the watch feels lightweight, making it suitable for all-day wear without causing discomfort or fatigue. The dial is where the Casio truly expresses its classic identity. The crisp white background provides a clean canvas for the bold black numerals, creating strong contrast and excellent legibility. Casio has thoughtfully positioned the large numerals along the outer edge of the dial, ensuring that the time can be read at a glance. An interesting design detail lies in the subtle inner rectangle that frames the center of the dial. This layered visual element adds depth without complicating the overall look. The fine printed details within this intersection provide texture and dimension, giving the watch a more sophisticated appearance while preserving its minimalist character. Functionally, the watch remains straightforward and dependable. It is powered by an SR626WS battery, which offers an estimated lifespan of approximately 3 years. This ensures long-term reliability with minimal maintenance. The mineral glass covering the dial provides everyday scratch resistance, protecting the face from minor wear and tear. Water resistance adds another layer of practicality, making the watch suitable for daily activities and occasional exposure to moisture, though it is not intended for swimming or diving. Accuracy is another strength. Casio states that the LTP1234PDC-7B maintains a precision of approximately plus or minus 20 seconds per month, which is standard and reliable for a quartz timepiece in this category. The stainless steel band accommodates wrist sizes ranging from 125 to 185 millimeters, offering flexibility for a wide range of users. It pairs just as naturally with office attire as it does with everyday clothing. Rather than chasing modern smartwatch trends or oversized statement designs, the Casio embraces simplicity and tradition. That restraint is part of its charm. Priced at $69 in the United States, the Casio LTP1234PDC-7B represents strong value. It delivers dependable quartz performance, durable materials, and a timeless aesthetic at an accessible price point. For women seeking a refined accessory that emphasizes clarity, comfort, and classic style, this watch stands as a tasteful and affordable choice that will not feel outdated anytime soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.